everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanishka. So in today's video I will be sharing my top 10 favorite products under 100 rupees that really works. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first product I have is this Himalayas Purifying Neem Face Wash. It is for 190 rupees, but I also have the tiny one which retails for around 65 rupees. I am very picky when it comes to face washes. I have used a lot of face washes, but this is my absolute favorite. And even it will help you in removing acne and pimples too. Second product I have is a face scrub. This one is also from Himalaya. This is their Purifying Neem Scrub. This is also very mild, very gentle on skin. It retails for 75 rupees and it comes with 50 gram. It is very amazing for the price it comes. And if you are a beginner, go for it. Don't think twice. The third product I have is a lip balm. This is Blue Heaven's Lip Balm. This is how it looks like. It retails for 85 rupees and it's worth the every penny. These come in 3 variants. I have the 2 with me. This is the bubblegum one and this is the cocoa one. This the bubblegum one I have used completely, you can see. I have also used the Laneige one, but it is quite a lot comparable with the Laneige one and it just cost 85 rupees. The next product we have is the body wash. This is from Lux. This is their Velvet Touch with jasmine and almond oil. It is just for 99 rupees and come with a free loofah. What else do you want? It is a very nice fragrance and doesn't leave your skin too patchy and dry. And it also have many variants. You can absolutely go and check them out. The fifth product I have is a lip scrub. This is from Good Vibes. This is their lemon lip scrub. I'll show you how it looks like from inside. This is how it looks like from inside. This is the very first product I have used from Good Vibes and I have to say it is quite a lot amazing. The MRP of the product is 125 rupees, but I got it for 100 bucks from Prapple.com. It is cruelty and paraben free, and if you have chapped and dry lips, go for it. Now we have some makeup related stuff. So the sixth product I have is this lipstick from Blue Heaven. This is their matte lip color in the shade 07. It retails for 105 rupees, but you can always get it on discount on Nykaa or Amazon. It is a very pretty magenta or berry sort of shade. I'll show you the swatch. This is how the swatch looks like. I need to pick a few more shades from this range as it has more beautiful nudes. And it just retails for 75 rupees, and for 75 rupees I think it's a steal. So the seventh product is my absolute favorite. I'll show you. This is by NY Bae, the big apple of my eye, Kohl Kajal. This is how the kajal looks like. It just costs 90 rupees and this is the most affordable kajal I have ever seen. Though the price is very low, but the quality is not compromised here. It is very easy and hassle free to use. You just have to twist it and use it. And it just glides perfectly, you can see. The next product I have is an eyeliner. This is how the liner looks like. This is the Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner in the golden color. It retails for 130 rupees, though I got it for 100 bucks from sale. And it gives very soft and dewy look. If you are a beginner, go for it. Don't think twice. And this is not a shimmery golden. You don't have to be worried about it. This is very pretty golden. I'll show you. You can see. This is how the eyeliner looks like, if you can see. And yeah, it is not too shimmery golden, it is just perfect. So the second last product I have is this nail pin from Miniso. I got it from Amazon. It doesn't take too much time in drying and doesn't have any harmful chemical and just costs 90 rupees and have many colors. You can absolutely go and check them out. So the 10th and the very last product I have is this nail remover from Color Bar. This is the best nail remover I have ever used. It retails for 125, but you can always get it on discount for 100 rupees. It is cruelty and paraben free and just removes nail paint in one go. You don't have to rub it over and over again. And the best thing is it is non-drying and it is infused with many proteins. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.